But I wanted to share with this one here because I thought this was on a commercial building, actually a Jack in the Box building that we inspected. Look at that. They literally have an in-ground swimming pool on their roof. Yep, in-ground swimming pool on their roof. One thing about it, just to go show how good a roofing job it wasn't leaking, and so they never knew. But what happened honestly, see that right here? That's my drain. It was clogged up, holding water. But so it's something you want to watch for. But really, nobody paid any attention, and there it is right there. And then you can see I got a vent right there. So what's happening is the only reason that water's not higher is because it's going up and down into my stack pipe. They don't got the stack pipe anymore, lifted any higher than that, and the water's draining right down the stack pipe, right down the drain. Unbelievable. There you go. In-ground swimming pool on top of the house. You can't. I bet most people can't afford something like that. You think? I got a feeling most people don't want to afford anything like that.